Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Messenger profile picture not showing error on your phone. Many users have reported that they were not able to see their profile picture while going to the Messenger app. So if you are also into the same situation, don't worry, just follow the steps discussed in this video. What you need to do is first restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now this is an important step, so don't miss it out. The restarting process may differ from phone to phone. Once your phone restarts, now open Messenger and then check if the profile picture is showing or not. If not, next method is to force stop the Messenger app. For that, click and hold the Messenger icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the Messenger app. After that, open it and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear the cache of the particular app. So for that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back and open the app and then check if the profile picture is showing now or not. If not, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Messenger app, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Messenger app to the latest version, and after that, check if the profile picture is showing or not. If not, you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. After updating your phone OS to the latest version, now try to open the app and then check. So using these methods, you can easily resolve the profile picture not showing error on Messenger app. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.